Hey guys, Aaron here. Today I'm going to work on a better way of mounting my license plate on my Lotus Elise S1. Unless you're new to the channel, you've probably seen my custom Help Me DIY plate. This car was imported from London and I bought a custom one that stayed with the London feel. And my actual US plate I mounted up here in the windshield, or back glass, I guess. And I used 4 pieces of double-sided Velcro, which works fine, but I saw a cooler option online and I want to switch it over. And so the spot here is not tall enough to fit a US plate, so I'd have to cut it or bend it or something to put it there. So that's the main reason that it's up here. So I saw somebody online posted this cool way. So I got this on Amazon. It is a bunch of clear suction cups. So I'm going to show you how to use these and mount that. One benefit of having the Velcro on here is that I could just reach in and pull it off. So if I was going to park it somewhere with the top off and I wanted to hide this somewhere, I could pull it off and stick it behind a seat or something. The suction cup pieces look like this. They've got a stud and this thing that screws on, kind of like a big earring with the back. I'll make sure I put a link to these on Amazon, but you can see they can stick right in the 4 holes where the screws would normally go through to hold the plates on. So you can see the backs of these just screw on. They are threaded. And voila, there it is, stuck on with 4 suction cups. So from a distance, you don't even notice them. Up close, of course, you can still see them, but it looks much better, I think, than the black tape on it. So yes, if you need a way to mount them, that is my new recommendation. And I got a whole bunch left over for extra projects. So thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. I hope you're subscribed and I'll see you on the next video.